Hey, welcome back. Gary Brown Forging On. Just real quick video here. I got envelope in the mail today. I'm gonna open this up. Oops, camera. This is from Kenny at Metal Man Production. He sent me a couple stickers. Thank you, Kenny. There's the stickers. I'm gonna put that up on my board. Might have one big video of me doing this board. I've been looking around for some good. I think I got a couple good boards here I'm going to use, and find me a spot. I'm just going to hang it up and put all these stickers on. I was looking around there today. I've been out in the shop much this week because of work. But Kenny also sent me a letter. Says, "Hi Gary, glad you found my channel. I look forward to following your channel as well. Take care and see you on the tube." All right, Kenny. So Kenny with Metal Man Productions. I appreciate the stickers, Kenny. And I'll add it to the other ones, and I'll get it on the board here. As soon as I can get that cut to shape, it's just a long end piece. When I get that cut to shape, we'll get it on the board. So take care and thank you, and you all have a blessed day. Bye-bye now.